right? So I want us to try another example where we have what 0 as one of the terms, right? So any number 4. So you should run 4 and 0, right? So you see what it actually does for the quotient part, it says cannot divide by 0, right? Because when programming it, we program it such that when you divide a number by 0, it will just say cannot divide by 0, right? So that was the first program. We also have another program which was designed using C++, using C++. I already said before what C++ is. No, Python. I already explained before why we use Python. We use Python because it is easier. Python is language orientated, right? That means with Python we don't have to use what we use in C++, such as math symbols. Here we just have to use words, like you see we wrote solutions instead of C in, right? So Python is one of the most coding language which is used industrially. An example, it is used on apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and all other apps which we are using in our phones, right? So for the Python one, you have to input the value of A, the value of B, and the value of C, right? And you know that for the Python, we created it such that it solves what? A quadratic equation by giving the roots of the quadratic equation, right? So I'd like us to have a quadratic equation which is denoted as ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to y, right? And then we know that the value of a is equals to the coefficient of the unknown that is raised to an exponent of 2, right? And the value of b, it is the coefficient of the unknown that is raised to an exponent of 1. And the value of c, it is the constant, it is the value that does not have any variable next to it, right? So we have a simple quadratic equation in this case, which it can be, let me say 2x squared minus 6x plus 4 is equals to 0, right? So for a learner to use this app, they have to know the value of a, the value of b, and the value of c, right? So let us go to our app and we run it, right? So the app actually greets, it says good day MEC and guests. My name is James and today I'll be assisting in solving a